Addressing the media fraternity, the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Pestun Tensong, informed that a meeting with the Finance Minister of the country, Nirmala Sitharaman, was recently held, wherein the requests by the state government in regards to grant allotment will be taken into consideration. Tensong further stated that the revelation grant, which included the distribution of funds to each state, is solely based on the reports by the Financial Commission, and Meghalaya is in favor of receiving the entitled grant at the financial year.
Based on the report submitted by the Finance Commission, and it is so favorable to the state government. So I'm sure the Honorable Finance Minister will respond that, and then I'm sure she will also take care of all this. No, we are yet to reach up to that situation. We are yet to reach to that situation, but I am sure during this financial year we will be able to get more grants, the entitled grant that we are supposed to get from the government.